Fly away, fly away. Like in the city can be crazy, and all the sun and the sea. Life in the high rise can make you hungry, things that you can't even see. Fly away, fly away. In this whole world there's nobody as lonely as she. There's nowhere to go and nowhere to cheat other than. Well, hi there pluckers, I was all things again. We was hoping another interesting lesson for you. Classic song from John Denver called Fly Away. Okay, so this is in standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as he originally recorded the song in or played live. Okay, so let's get to it. So not the easiest song, maybe a little bit of a challenge for some of you, okay, but not overly difficult, I don't think, you know. It's worth having a go at. Okay, so let's get to it. Its chords are easy, but there's a bit of picking out individual notes, which is a bit tricky, I suppose. Okay, so let's get to it. So starting off with a G chord, but really you only need the third finger on the third fret at the bottom E string. Okay, and what happens is if you just press that third finger on the the sixth string, third fret, if you arpeggiate down from 6 down to 2, what happens is, generally speaking, this third finger will lean over and mute the 5th string. So the A string is muted, or it should be, okay? And that's the first thing you do, is you arpeggiate down from 6 down to 2. Don't go to the top E, okay? Then what you do is you put your second finger on that 2nd fret of the 3rd string and hit that note. And then the open 3rd, and then the open 4th. So it's strums, 6 down to 2 on the G, 2nd fret of the 3rd string with your 2nd finger, open 3rd string, open 4th string. Then the 2nd fret of the 4th string, and then the open 3rd. Alright, first phrase. Alright, then what we do is we go again from 6 down to 2. Then put your first finger on that 1st fret of the 2nd string. Right? And hit that 2nd string on its own, okay? 1st fret. So far. Okay? Then put your pinky on that 3rd fret of the 2nd string, okay? So it's... Then go down to the 1st fret, 2nd string again with the 1st finger, and go from 6 down to 2 again. So now we've got this. Open 2nd string, 3rd string open. Okay, now we've got this. Okay, got that? Now what we do is the first one again, exactly the same as you did it the first time. So 6 down to 2, second on the third, open third, open fourth, second on the fourth, second on the fourth there, and then third string open. Third. Exactly the same as you did the first bit. Okay, so starting again, right from the beginning so far, slowly. Once again, we'll try and do that slowly. Okay, and all you do now to finish it off is add your pinky to the third fret top E string. Okay, put your first finger on that first fret second string, the B string, and go 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright? And that's the intro. And quite a lot of the verse is in there as well. Okay? So let's start from the beginning again, just once very slowly through. Pause, and then we're into the first verse. Now the first verse is, does this all of the days are gone. That's that second phrase in the intro, right? It borrows that phrase from the intro, so it's again the G shape to start with just the third finger on the bottom of the string, third fret. Muted fifth string, 6 down to 2 again, first fret of the second string, third fret of the second string with pinky. You can hit some open strings with that if you want to, okay, if you want to make it more fuller, okay, and then back to the first fret second string, open third second string, open third. So that's all of the days are gone. Right? Then what we do is this. We go from 6 down to about 4 or 3. Again muting the fifth string with the back of that third finger. And then the second finger goes and plays that second on the fourth. Open third, so it goes. Right? Okay, and then the second on the third. Okay, so. So we got beginning of the verse. All of the days have gone soft and cloudy. Right? So that's soft. Sorry, soft and cloudy. Open just 4, 6 down to about 4 or 3. Soft. And then second on the fourth. Open third. Second on the third. Okay, so far on the verse, all of the days have gone soft and cloudy, and then you just basically repeat that again, the whole 2 lines, all right? All of the dreams have gone. So that's that line again, the first line again, okay? That's 6 down to 2. Same first line again, okay? So from the beginning of the verse, all of the days have gone soft and cloudy, all of the dreams have gone, and then you do that little bit you did on the end of the intro. Try. So that's fretting the first on the second and the third fret of the top E string. and it's just open fourth, open third, first, second string and third string. That's on dry. Okay, go on dry. So the first two lines of the verse. All of the days have gone soft and cloudy. All of the dreams have gone dry. And then you just repeat, okay? All of the nights have gone sad and shady, getting ready to fly. Got that? So we'll do it all the way from the beginning to the end of the first verse, okay? So here we go. Right from the beginning of the first verse. Right, here we go. Verse. All of the days have gone soft and cloudy. All of the dreams have gone dry. All of the nights have gone sad and shady. She's getting ready to fly. Right, now comes the chorus. Fly away. Fly away. Right, it's quite simple this. Okay, so it's just a strum on A minor, 5 downwards, fly away. Then we do second on the third, open second, first on the second, so it's fly away. Got that? Fly away. Then we strum a D chord, 4 downwards, way. So it's fly away. Okay, got that? Fly away. Then take the D chord away. Sorry, fly away. Sorry, fly away. Open top E string, and then open B string, and then play the D again. So it's fly away. And you just do that twice. The whole thing, okay? Fly away, fly away. Okay, and that's it. So that's the chorus, okay, for the song. 2 lines of that, okay? And then what happens is obviously they play the intro again, okay? Can you remember the intro? Exactly the same as it was the first time round, okay? And then we do another verse again, which is exactly the same to play as you did the first verse with different words, okay? So it's life in the city can make you crazy, the sounds of the sand and the sea. Life in the high rock can make you hungry for things that you can't even see. Chorus again, fly away, fly away. Then we play a little instrumental bit, just 2 lots of the first part of the intro, twice round. So it's before we go into the bridge. Okay, so all I'm doing there, after you come out of the second chorus, you just strum 6, like the G chord again, you stand with just the third on the 6th there, muting the 5th string. Okay, 6 down to 2 as usual, and then that second on the third, open 3rd, open 4th, second on the 4th, open 3rd. So it's, and you just do that twice, okay, the whole thing. So coming out of that, do the second chorus, okay, fly away, fly away, bridge. Or the lead up to the bridge, I should say. Okay. Then the bridge itself, basically this is all strummy sort of stuff, okay, or arpeggiating or whatever we want to do with it. In this world, so it's a, as it goes, in this whole world, there's nobody as long as she. Right, so this is A minor progression, A minor in this whole world, B minor, there's nobody as lonely as she, is C add 9. That's a C chord, but add your pinky. You can just play the C if you like, but ideally you need to put your pinky on that 3rd fret of the 2nd string. I mean, you could play it like that. 3rd fret of the 5th string, 2nd finger. 1st finger's playing the 4th string, 2nd fret, and 3rd finger's playing the 3rd on the 2nd. 5 downwards. But I'm tending to use a standard C chord, just to put your pinky on that 3rd fret, 2nd string. Less confusing for people. So that's A minor. In this whole world, there's nobody as lonely as she. Back to A minor. There's nowhere to go, and there's D, nowhere that she'd rather. Intro B. Back into the standard intro, okay? So that's so da 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 da. There's nowhere to go and there's nowhere she'd rather. Exactly the same as the standard intro, and then you're into the verse 3, and then it does another chorus, and if you like you could do another middle bridge section or whatever. Okay, well just do it, listen to the original and play the same arrangement as he plays it, but you've got everything there to play the song. Okay, you've got the intro, the verse, the chorus and the bridge section. That's all the parts. Okay, so there you have it. Hopefully that makes sense to you.